Let's start by loading the default templates of Flux. And select Flux Dev Workflow. Since I don't use the FP8 checkpoint, I will delete the node and load Unit GGF node to load Q6GGF Unit model. And let's queue the image. Oops, I forgot to plug in the VAE nodes. I will load them up now. And also plug the clip loader socket. Let's queue it again. This time it is rendering the default prompt anime girl. The image successfully generated. This means our workflow is working. Now let's load the Flux prompt generator node. It is only one node. You plug the string output to the prompt text input field. That is it. Now you are ready to use the prompt generator preset prompts. In the subject, you can input the subject you would like to use. For our example, let's type anime girl. Here you can see all the preset fields you can use. You don't need to type anything, you just click and select them as presets, for example. In the accessories, let's select baseball cap and queue it. Next, we will add age as young adult, art form as film, and background as car interior. We will slowly add them as we go along. We just select the preset and the image is generated precisely as we choose. Now let's add more. Let's select the clothing now. There are so many dress combinations. We will choose pink dress. Now we get a pink dress, but also keeping intact the previous prompt we select, which is interior as car and baseball cap. This is amazing. We are building as we go along. Now let's select the expression as smiling. We get a smiling girl. We are going complex as we add more. Now let's take a look at the place preset. It is the environment or location prompt preset. We will select at the beach. This will change the exterior of the car to a beach location, keeping everything else intact. It changed the location only. The baseball cap is there, it is still the car interior, and the dress is pink. Let's try the lighting tonight. I will click on the lighting. Select night lighting. It tries to stay near the beach, even during nighttime. That's why in many scenes, we can see the shimmer of water just outside the car. But it's not a typical sandy beach. It's more like a coastal edge, close to the sea. The Flux prompt generator captures that mood beautifully. It's not just about generating prompts. It helps us discover ideas we might never have imagined on our own. Ideas that feel almost surreal, yet visually possible. And that's part of the magic. Behind the scenes, it pulls from a series of structured lists. Subjects, artists, moods, lighting, and camera gear, all carefully curated. One of the most useful features, the camera model selection. You get to see a full list of camera types, from high-end DSLRs to rare vintage models. Each one brings a different look and feel to the final image. Just changing the camera can shift the whole tone of the scene. This alone opens up a whole new layer of creativity. Using Flux, we start to realize how many visual styles and storytelling angles we haven't even explored yet. It doesn't just generate prompts, it expands our sense of what's possible. It's built with simplicity in mind. Flux Prompt Generator is a Comfyui node that provides a flexible and customizable prompt generator for generating detailed and creative prompts for image generation models. It's designed to work right inside your Comfyui workflow, helping you build complex, layered prompts without needing to write them manually each time. The structure is clean, the logic is simple, and the results, surprisingly rich. You get dynamic combinations of subject, style, lighting, camera, and more, all pulled from editable text files stored in the repo. It's modular, it's expandable, and most of all, it's designed to spark ideas you wouldn't have found on your own.